Success is not absence of failure, it's persistence through failure. Aisha Tyler, my friends, each and every day, 10 to 15 minutes. That's all we ask. Let's jump into these charts. Everything is up for the day except bonds. Now, and that's sort of the way it needs to be. We'll talk about Bitcoin when we get to it. Gold spiking up again beautifully. And we see stocks just continuing to move up a little bit. The S&P 500 up 0.16% for the day as we start the new week. Almost average volume last week. We saw on that Thursday-Friday two-day chart, don't know why that happened, on the Thursday-Friday two-day chart, we had a nice spike above average volume, and this Monday, we are doing okay. I mean, we can see we had a little above average volume in the morning, dropping off some in the afternoon, some ranging, had a doji in the morning, but then moving up nicely above the weekly trend line on the two-day, the half-day, and the weekly starting the week off okay. Still long, the S&P. What about the NASDAQ? We're still long the NASDAQ too. It was up 0.08%. Not much, but still moving in the right direction. Didn't quite get up to average volume last week. Last two-day candle was first day of the latest one. Not quite halfway there, but we will see average in the morning, falling off in the afternoon. Like the S&P, some ranging in the morning, but again, moved up decently above the weekly trend line on the half-day, above on the two-day, pulling away from it. And again, this is almost a flat, almost a horizontal trend line, but we're still slowly but surely cranking it up. So we're long on the NASDAQ. Now, where are we on 20-year U.S. government bonds? Maybe we're making a base here. We see a little bit of a semblance of a green candle. We have, 3 dojis in a row now on the two-day. Again, above the weekly trend line, both sitting right just a little above it. Hard to even see much of a candle there on the weekly. Above on the two-day and above on the half-day, so we are keeping an eye on it. I think I saw we're about a 65% directional probability on our trade execution summary grid that, of course, all of our Patreon members have the day before the market opens. If you want to get that, well, please become a Patreon supporter. Help underwrite the cost of the channel a little bit. It's not much, about $1 a day, and we would appreciate it. Plus, you get my latest book, Three-Wave Trading Advantage, explains to you in depth what we do here. I'm very proud of it, along with our 3-part series, Options Made Simple, the Charting Wealth Way. Think about it. Treat yourself in the new year. But we are seeing that maybe bonds are finding a bottom. We'll keep our eye on it. They've been slowing down and maybe slowly but inexorably cranking around to move up, so we'll watch. But it was down for the day, 0.30%. Now, what do we see going on with gold? Man, the precious metal is precious, and it just keeps glittering, going higher, 1.87% today alone. Daggone it, it just spiking up quite nicely, booming. Look at the volume on the two-day. We're already at average volume with that spike up in the morning, above average for the day. We're already up to the average volume for the two-day, and we still have a day to go. We look at the half-day. We see above average volume in the morning, average in the afternoon. And, of course, we're well above the weekly trend line on all 3 of our charts, half-day, two-day, and the weekly. For those of you who are new, you see this 195 minutes. You say, wait a minute, isn't it 4 hours? No, the market's not open 8 hours. The half-day chart, the proper one, is 195 minutes. That's why we use it. We do a lot of things here that make common sense. So we're still long gold. What about Bitcoin? Maybe Bitcoin again, finding a base. We had a green candle last week, starting off with a bit of green. This week, we're above the weekly trend line on the two-day and the half-day. And the weekly, we punched through that flattening trend line. We've been talking for weeks about finding a base. And, again, continuing to move up is nice. Maybe we found it. So, again, we're finding ourselves getting long Bitcoin. Not feeling super comfortable about it right now, but feeling better. My friends, that's where we are on Monday. We always love to hear from you. Patreon supporters, thank you so much for your help. God bless my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.